Oh my goodness, guys. You have no idea how long I've been plagued with stuttering. So when I built this computer, I had no stutter at all. Everything was great. Everything was running good. And then my SSD died one day. So I had to reinstall Windows on I RMA'd the SSD and they gave me a new one. And then I got some weird stuttering. So everything would stutter. Rocket League stutters. The lightest games would stutter. CSGO stuttered. This game stuttered. And right now I'm recording and playing this and I have no stutter whatsoever. And when I recorded, while I had stutter either way. I had stutter without recording and with recording. And with recording it was even worse than without recording. And I managed to fix it thanks to the help of some other YouTubers and lots of article reading. I've literally spent like probably more of my hours in the last 2 weeks trying to fix this problem than I have actually playing games because it's so annoying and it feels unplayable. It is micro stutters, so like every half second I'd get like a little tiny stutter. And the FPS would not drop, but it was to the point where it was annoying. But anyways, here's the fix. Alright, so this is the legitimate fix if you have this problem where you're having like weird stutters and you have a powerful GPU and CPU. There's no reason you should be stuttering. And this is how I fixed it. I'll put links to the original articles and videos in the description that I found these on. And so type these in. You're going to go to CMD. You're going to run this as administrator. You're going to type those both in and press enter. And then restart your computer and it should be fixed. It fixed mine. I have a Ryzen 1700X and a GTX 1060. So there's no reason I should have been getting stutter. And now I can play without stutter and I could record it without any lag whatsoever. And that's it, guys. Put that in. I didn't come up with it, but I'm spreading the knowledge to help you guys out if you have this problem as well, because it's very annoying and it makes games unplayable. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.